Hey everybody, Katie here. I'm going to be giving you a cat face makeup tutorial. So let's go. I didn't think this through. There's no place for me to set it down. You're going to see nothing for a second when I get all my supplies out. This is what I use to hold all my stuff. I use this, lunchbox, anything over there. Just kind of say what I use. I'm going to be using this kit today. Wait, let's see if this is the right one. Does it have what I need? Yeah. It has different shades of oils. Also, I'm going to be using this today. And also, I have two brushes that I can be using today. Two brushes. So, let's get on with the tutorial. Okay. We have all of our stuff we're going to be needing. I'd recommend just some sort of eyeshadow. If you don't have this, that's fine. Just black would work. I also have a bunch of other stuff in here. I have nail polish, a bunch of little fake rings. Well, not really fake, but okay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and first I'm gonna get what I'm using first. First color that I'm using, and I can use any color. It doesn't matter. Whatever color I'm gonna use two different colors because I'm using two brushes today. For this video, I decided on using one color for the first part. Now, I'm going to put it all around my face. Yup, it may sound weird, but it really works. I did this for a performance. I did not use this. Wax color is wet. I may try that if this doesn't work as well. Yeah, I'm going to try getting this a little wet. Just a little bit. I'm going to turn my sink down a tiny bit. And then getting it and wrapping it. Okay, this kind of works. I'm just gonna do it around my face. It's kind of hard to notice, but yeah, I'm doing it all around. I'm using this color. Looks more orange now that I realized. And I wanted it to, which would be more of a white color. So I got this part done all around my face. So I'm gonna do some up there and on the side. Now I'm just gonna do some up there. And this is just for a simple cat face. I'm going to do the same as me. So I'm going to put my other brush, and I'm going to use this one called Sunbeam. So I almost fell. I'm going to see that instead. Sunbeam. It's going to show a little more. See? Okay, a lot more. The rest of my face, this color. Hold on, please. I have a little bit of a runny nose still. I was sick, but I'm fine now. Just a small runny nose. Also getting more Sunbeam. Now, I put this under my eyes and all around. I actually did this for a dance, except that, like I said, I did not use these colors. I was in a full cat suit. For a dance, get my nose too, I guess. Why not? I want to look fully colored. Doesn't look the best, but you can also advance it up if you're like a professional makeup artist. I'm not, but you can tell. For sure tell that I'm not a professional. But I still love doing makeup on myself and doing cat faces. It's really fun. Though I did the performance already, it's still fun. So after I did this, I'm gonna go ahead and close my makeup. Well, with my two brushes, and I'm going to use this. Now, I'm going to open this. It is basically a makeup marker, is what I call it. So, I'm going to do a line down, like this, and do small lines out. Then I'm going to do a line here. This, you guys see that? And then here, whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Buddy, this is the final reveal. How do you guys think it looked? Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.